Hey there again. Well, we come to the big unveiling of the molds. Didn't take long to cure, but it has been a really hot day today. So even I haven't seen these ones yet, but I will show you a couple of the mistakes I did. I gotta find them. They're around here somewhere. No, I can't find them at the moment. I thought they were right here. But anyway, so we'll start with this one here. These were the three that I did, mixing the colour into the resin, pouring it on, and then putting the black on the back of it. So I've just got to peel them out. Sometimes they get a bit stuck. And that's how that comes out. So if you're using one colour, you don't even have to dry brush. You can just colour it and still put the black on the back. So you got the layers there. So that still looks quite effective. The dry brushing is when you're doing all different colours. And I'll do the same. And I'll do the same with these. See, it's still very effective. And the third one. There's a bit of a colour shift, but this was mainly just the blue. They turned out pretty good. Very happy with them. And the colour is quite even. These ones here, a little bit different. It did cure like them. It cured a bit too hard, but as long as you dab it on and don't brush, because if you brush too much on the resin, it brushes the powder off. So I just dab it to leave enough coverage. So it's not a total waste if the resin cures too much. You still get a good effect. See, it's a little bit antique-y, but that's what it is. And this has a really good colour shift. I like how that turned out. I'm trying to get it. I'll change the light. So we've got that light. It's one. But the outside one is a green and gold, which it doesn't show up on the phone. Next one, and I got a little bit of where it didn't cover as well, but it's still quite an antique kind of look. But because this resin only comes up halfway, that it's still a bit concave on this side, which then domes, and it actually looks like polished stone inserted into it. So we've got the next one. your breath. And ta-da! Another one. Looks very good. But like in the sunshine tomorrow, I'll show you how these color change. That circle light does the funny things. So you should get a good effect as long as you just dab your powder in. Last one. Ta-da! See, the outside one is blue and purple. It doesn't quite... doesn't quite show up on film. Trying to wiggle it. So that's them three, and these three. I can't find the mistake one. It's around here somewhere, but I can't find it. So I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, just ask away and I'll try and do another video. But if I do a bigger one. But these turned out quite good, and I'm sure you won't have any trouble. But it still gets the same effect, even though the resin did overcure a little bit. So it's still got a nice rounded shape in each of these. And it's because the resin sets concave, and that sets in the actual holes. But still, it's a really good effect. And the color change is much better seeing it in person. But I've got a ton of colors. Like with these little balls, I can make little necklaces out of them with spare resin that I had. And this here was some spare resin from this black that I put into this mold here. I brushed it with, not that one, I brushed it with this holographic glitter, which is really fantastic. And that brushed on the inside. So this actually worked. See how it goes on the inside of the, it's not totally full, but I just wanted to show you what this product does. It is just fantastic. So it's just spare resin. I didn't fill it, but this is the effect, and it's just mind-blowing. It is so cool. And on all these angles, it's fantastic. So some micas do better on the silicone than others, really. But this brushes on silicone so cool. But in resin it actually floats. But on the silicone it just brushes on and it all peels off. But yeah, one look. That is just unreal. But yeah, all pretty cool. I'll post it now because I'm sure you're waiting to see what happens. And yeah, I'll do some more. I should put them on my YouTube. When I get a YouTube, well, I've got a YouTube already going, but I don't have many things on it. But I'll start posting stuff on that as well and let you know. But yeah, show me what you've got done and I can probably help you out. If you need colours, I can probably help there too. We'll sort something out. Cheers.